As you know, in our professional development, we have to use the see it, do it, and name it approach. Today I'm going to see it for you by demonstrating the turn and talk strategy. The turn and talk strategies enable students to discuss the question or the focus question with their partner before sharing it with the class. It is a very powerful strategy which enables or encourages full participation by learners. I'm going to demonstrate this, and I would want you to notice how I set a clear expectation, I monitor full participation and use learner responses to clear misconceptions. In my demonstration, I'm going to make you my class and I will be your teacher. The focus question for discussion is, why is recycling important for the planet? Why is recycling important for the planet? Now let's switch to the classroom setting. Hello class. Today we have an important question to discuss. And the question is, why is recycling important for the planet? This is how I want the discussion to be. You are going to get a partner, turn to the partner, and discuss the question with your partner. And after the discussion, I'm going to let you summarize or tell me what you discussed about. So everybody get a partner, get a partner. You have 60 seconds. You have 60 seconds for this discussion. And I want you to really have a discussion. Nobody is going to sit down idle. Get a partner. And I'm going to give you the go ahead before we start the discussion. 1, 2, 3, go. Start your discussion.
Go.
Time up, time up, time up. Now look at me, everybody look at me. Discussion time is over. Who would want to share what you discussed with your partner? Remember what you shared with your partner, you can summarize it or add an idea. Okay. Yes, that group. Okay. You said, that is excellent. You said recycling saves energy, whereby factories uses less energy and not going to process the raw material, but by falling on the recycled material. That is excellent. That is insightful. Yes, this group. Okay. That is excellent. You mentioned that recycling protects the environment by making the environment cleaner. Okay. I want to clarify a misconception here. Recycling does not mean throwing away less waste, but rather reducing the amount of garbage and making useful of that garbage as raw materials. Hello? It means reducing the amount of garbage through recycled process and feeding it to the factory in other ways. And in doing so, we protect the environment from that garbage that would have been in the environment, and also blocking our gutters, making the environment unhealthy. Thank you all for participating in the discussion. This brings us to the 10 and 12 technique. Thank you.